Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below, give this video a like. And today we are opening up the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box. I guess he's back to doing these all the time now. Like, I feel like he's been more consistent with doing these mystery boxes than he ever has been. We just recently hit 1,000 subscribers, and thank you guys so much. Like, oh my gosh, I can't tell you how excited I am. I did put ads on my videos. You don't have to watch them. If you skip through them, that's fine. But if you do, thank you. I appreciate it, because it's a dream. Yeah. I was like, whoop, here's to making 30 cents a month. But, you know, like I said, you don't have to watch the ads, but if you do, it'd be really fucking cool. But we hit 1,000 subscribers, so we will have to do a giveaway soon, like for the 1,000 subscribers. So leave a comment down below letting me know, like, giving me suggestions on what you'd like to see in the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It can't be anything like outrageously crazy. I'm not rich, okay? That's why I'm excited to be monetized. I know it's not that much, but like, it's something. But let me know. Give me some suggestions. We can't go super wild, especially since I'm trying to save to take the family on our first vacation. Well, they've gone on vacations before, but not with me. Not with me being. Yeah, I'm so excited. They've not been on like a real vacation centered around them. Usually our vacations are not really vacations. There's a lot of stuff that we have to get done in a short amount of time. So this will be specifically for the kids, and a little bit about me. But specifically, you know, just to see them smile. So yeah, as long as it's reasonable, please, suggestions, and we will do another giveaway. I will leave suggestions in this video, and we will start the giveaway on the next video, because then I will have an idea of what I'm going to get. If you hear screaming, it's my children in the background. So, oh my goodness. I've just knocked everything off. What did we get? Okay, so we got... These have fallen out, apparently, but I'm still excited. Ah! We got the nude set. I don't know why I'm so against, like, buying the ones that I want, because there are tons of his liquid lipsticks that I want, and I don't get them, and I'm like, why? Because you know you like them. Like, you've literally used the ones that you have gotten in your mystery boxes until they've dried out or until they were completely empty. So why would you not get more? But now I have three of his collections. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so now I have the Supreme Gloss in Improper. It's like a purpley pink, mauvey color. I got a ring light for my phone. wonder if it has to be charged. Probably. You probably have to charge it before you can use it. But I got me a ring light. Let's see this shirt here since it's right on top. And then the back says, Heartbreaker, Heartbreaker. Sorry, I will not do that again. I will not do that again. We got the gloss, and let me be perfectly clear. Oh, it's because it's clear. I can dig the clear one. Okay, so then I got razor blade. And I want to say I already have this color because I got the what you call it in the last mystery box. I can't. It's like Beauty Killer. No, that's the first one. Where is it? Weirdo. Because I got the Weirdo palette. I got the color Weirdo, which again, pretty sure I already have. So I will put these in a giveaway. I got Owl Eyes. Any of the colors that I already own, which I will go through and make sure, whether I do or not, I will put in for a giveaway. So that way you guys can then get some Jeffree Star colors and, you know, test them out, see if you like them. I don't know if you'll ever even use them. Everybody was like, oh my gosh, she looks so adorable today. And I'm like, what? It's like, I guess. I mean, usually I look like shit. And they were like, no, usually you're all done up. And I'm like, no, I'm not. This is Only Child, which I'm guessing is also from the Weirdo palette because it seems to be in the color palette. So I'm guessing I already have this color too. Actually, most of these seem to be colors I already have. So, Yak Farm, which I think I also have because I have that Ranch palette. The Star Ranch palette. So I'll probably give this one away in a giveaway. There's a lot of them. And the packaging is super hard to get that closed without tearing it. So if you get one that's torn up, I am super sorry. Magic Star. What is this? More concealer? If it's concealer, I'm down. Yellow. I wish his packaging was just a little different so you could tell the difference between the two, but I'm guessing they're both concealers because I have pale yellow, which I use, and now yellow, I guess. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I got the Velour Lip Scrub in Pink Grapefruit, which I actually don't like grapefruit. It's not my jam, but who knows? I actually do like that. Very sugary though. I imagine that's how you're supposed to eat a grapefruit. With tons of sugar. And I don't ever do that. I always end up being like, this is disgusting. Who would do that? Why is anybody eating this? because they put tons of sugar on it, Taylor. That's why. I got a lip liner in Calabasas. It's a very pretty red. And if you're wondering, his lip liners are hella soft. I know that he's been out forever, but some people still don't have any of his stuff. Until I started getting mystery boxes, I did not either. I have Heaven's Gates in the gloss. Gives me very early 2000s vibes with the white. I don't know what this is, but I'm excited. I want to say it's a highlighter palette. It would be so nice if it was a highlighter palette. Heartbreaker! That's all I'm going to think when I... Skin Frost highlighter palette. Nice. I've been going for the like blush contour thing with a highlight, so I might actually get some use out of this one and this one. And the moment we've all been waiting for. Do I have the Orgy palette? I don't think I have the Orgy palette. Sorry about that. No, I do not have the Orgy palette. I have the cremated palette. So now I have the Orgy palette. A lot of Jeffree Star ass going on here. You have every nude you could possibly ever in your life want. And actually, I'm close. Might be busted. Either that or Orgy. Because it actually looks like someone swatched it. It looks like there's a fingerprint in it. I don't know if it's picking up. But there's marks and then like it looks like there's a fingerprint. But I don't know. Probably still use it. It would have to be very damaged for me to... And then I got Ranch Girl in his velvet lipstick. I love this packaging, by the way. This has got to be the nicest packaging he has. That's a pretty color. Look at the detail. I'm gonna put this on right over the gloss, I think. Fold. Okay, I only have 2 more items. So, first of all, we have Cutthroat Love. Shake well before use. Oh, I like that. That is gorgeous. Hold on. Don't make fun of me right now.
Honey, you got the other one, or is that just the one? I picked up Luna's puke with that. Did you put it on your mouth? Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh, I like that. If that don't fit me well. And then the last thing I got is this right here. Okay, usually the boxes are like the entire thing's covered, but for some reason this, like, I don't know. But yeah, it's super cute. I did drop my lipstick on it though. I like that red. I'm gonna be using that a lot. Anyways, that is my box. Again, make sure to comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see in the giveaway, because we did hit our 1,000 subscribers. Oh, I'm so excited. This never happened before. We got so close the last time I was like really posting, and then I just nosedived and like completely quit. I feel like my bangs look weird, by the way, so if I keep messing with them, I'm sorry. It just, like, that gap right there is like a lot. It's bothering me. But yeah, so let me know what you want to see in the giveaway. We'll try to make something happen as long as it's within reason. Don't forget to watch the video with ads if you want to be a good friend. But other than that, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe down below, give this video a like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!